Have you ever wished you could read someone's mind? Imagine knowing exactly what a hiring manager wants in an interview, or sensing what your date is truly feeling. This isn't just comic book fantasy. It's rooted in our deep need to connect and understand each other. We crave certainty in our interactions, hoping to bridge the silent gap between our inner worlds. The power to read minds seems like the ultimate superpower, promising deeper relationships and fewer misunderstandings. But here's the truth. We're all amateur mind readers already. Every day we interpret a colleague's email, a partner's sigh, or a child's silence, using our brain's natural ability to decode intentions and emotions. This isn't magic. It's a survival skill honed over millennia. This video isn't about telepathy, but about the real science behind how we understand others. We'll explore how your brain predicts, simulates, and observes, turning unconscious guessing into conscious empathy. The goal isn't manipulation, but genuine connection. By the end, you'll see that true mind reading is about building bridges of understanding, one interaction at a time. Let's discover how to unlock this remarkable human ability. Your brain is a prediction machine, constantly forecasting what's next, even in social situations. It doesn't wait for all the facts, it grabs small cues, a frown, a shift in tone, and instantly runs simulations. This process is mostly unconscious, drawing on your lifetime of experiences to make rapid judgments. That's why you get gut feelings about people or situations. For example, if a friend reaches for water with a parched look, you instantly infer they're thirsty. No words needed. This is your brain's prediction system at work, helping you read intentions and emotions. The more high-quality data you give your brain, tone, posture, context, the better its predictions. You can train yourself to be a sharper observer, fine-tuning this natural skill. Start noticing not just what people say, but how they say it and what their body reveals. Becoming a better mind reader isn't about learning a new trick, it's about improving a fundamental human ability. Pay attention, gather more clues, and your predictions will become more accurate. That's the first step to truly understanding others. Deep in your brain, mirror neurons fire when you perform an action and when you watch someone else do it. See someone smile? Your brain simulates that smile, letting you feel a faint echo of their emotion. This neural mirroring is the foundation of empathy, allowing you to experience others' feelings from the inside. When you hear about someone's stressful day, your brain simulates their anxiety or frustration. This is the basis of theory of mind understanding that others have their own beliefs, desires, and emotions. Mirror neurons help translate what you observe into your own internal language. To improve your mind reading, consciously engage this system. Imagine what it feels like to be the other person. Subtly mirror their posture or facial expressions to build a vivid internal model of their state. This isn't mimicry, it's about deepening empathy and insight. Use your body and mind to connect more authentically. Mind reading depends on the quality of your observations. Most communication is nonverbal. Body language, facial expressions, and tone often reveal more than words. Micro-expressions, those fleeting facial cues, can betray true emotions before they're hidden. Train yourself to notice these flashes as well as shifts in posture and gestures. Look for clusters of cues and changes from someone's baseline behavior. A single gesture means little, but a pattern tells a story. Establish how someone normally acts, then watch for deviations. Observation is about noticing patterns and subtle shifts, not jumping to conclusions. The more you observe, the clearer the picture of someone's inner world becomes. The body speaks volumes often more honestly than words. Eyes reveal confidence, intimacy, or anxiety. Sustained contact signals interest, while darting eyes suggest discomfort. Posture is a billboard for emotion. Upright and open means confidence, hunched and closed means discomfort. Hands and feet betray nervousness, fidgeting, tapping, or feet pointed toward the exit can signal stress or a desire to leave. Context is everything. No single gesture is definitive. Look for clusters of signals and whether body language matches spoken words. When words and body language conflict, trust the body. Decoding these signals is about gathering clues, not making snap judgments. The most revealing insights often come from mismatches between what's said and what's shown. Pay attention to the whole picture, not just isolated gestures. That's how you truly read what's beneath the surface. As you sharpen your mind-reading skills, remember, the goal is connection, not control. Using these abilities to manipulate erodes trust and blocks genuine relationships. True mind reading is about empathy. Stepping into someone else's shoes and seeing the world through their eyes. When you notice someone's distress, Respond with support, not exploitation. A simple, "You seem overwhelmed, are you okay?" can transform a relationship. Empathy builds trust and resilience, while manipulation leads to isolation. As you understand others, you also gain insight into yourself. The path to reading minds, walked with empathy, leads to deeper connection with others and yourself. Let's turn science into action with 5 practical hacks for reading people better. First, establish a baseline. Notice how someone usually acts, so you can spot meaningful changes. Second, use the 3-channel check. Pay attention to words, tone, and body language. Look for congruence or contradiction. Third, try the question statement technique. Turn assumptions into gentle questions like, "I noticed you got quiet, does something about the project bother you?" Fourth, practice subtle mirroring. Match someone's posture or pace to build rapport, but keep it natural. Fifth, embrace the power of the pause. Let silences linger after important questions. People often reveal more after a moment's reflection. These habits help you gather better data for your brain's predictions. Start small, be consistent, and watch your connections deepen. Remember, these aren't tricks. They're tools for genuine understanding. Use them with curiosity and care, not manipulation. The more you practice, the more natural and effective they become. Over time, you'll notice richer, more honest interactions. Mind reading is about perception, not perfection. Stay open, keep learning, and let empathy guide you. Every conversation is a chance to practice. The results will surprise you. Reading people doesn't just improve your interactions, it transforms your life. You become a better communicator, leader, friend, and partner. These skills build authentic relationships, which are key to happiness and well-being. At work, you'll sense unspoken concerns and resolve conflicts before they escalate. In love and friendship, you'll prevent misunderstandings and offer support when it matters most. With children, you'll see past behavior to the feelings beneath. Most importantly, understanding others leads to deeper self-awareness. You'll notice your own triggers and patterns, empowering you to live more intentionally. The ultimate reward is a richer, more conscious life. If you remember one thing, let it be this: listen with more than your ears. True listening is a full-body experience. Eyes, intuition, and empathy all play a part. The most important information is often unspoken, in tone, expression, posture, and energy. Practice active observation. Put away distractions, make eye contact, and give your full attention. Notice small details, but don't rush to analyze. Just be present. When words and body language don't match, get curious, not accusatory. Use gentle questions to invite honesty and build trust. Reading people is about compassionate attention, not secret codes. By listening deeply, you honor others' humanity and foster true connection. That's a power greater than any superpower.